guys, as well as I'm here and show some style jewelry available in our website. We have kinds of bracelet, rings, and pendants, earring, and also we can make some DIY snap jewelries. Also, if you want to see some designs, we also can show you, and you can change such kind of snap jewelry according to your moods and your dress. So now we go to say what kind of design we have. Hello, now I put some snapper button and on the desk. Today I will introduce some animal snapper button jewelries. This kind of interchangeable jewelry is very attractive and newest. This is a whole new kind of interchangeable jewelry that is fetching snapper button like charms you snap in and out of stylish bracelet, rings, and more. Okay, we have the ring accessory and leather bracelet accessories, and we can put such kind of beautiful snapper inside, fit in our rings and bracelet. Also we have earring. I have some pendant. Okay, so you say this is or shaper snap button and have mixed colors with the rhinestone, okay, with the rhinestones. Many kind of design about ours. And the size is 18 millimeters, and we can put this one. This have the button, and we will put in our rings. Easy, very easy. And also you can change if you like some just okay, this is big like this. This is for 12 millimeters. This is for 18 millimeters like this. Okay, if you don't want such kind of design, maybe every day our mood is different. We need some more small, and we can use this one. This is also very beautiful. Okay. I put here, and this design is not so expensive, only need a US dollar. This design you only need a US dollar. See, one piece US dollar 0.55, and 10 piece. Minimum order is 10 piece. Okay, as different designs you can choose. This one. Okay, and now I introduce the second designs. This made of the rhinestone, colorful rhinestone, and this have the total shape. Frog, panda, big rhinestone, with the cats, many kind of beautiful rhinestone. Okay, and we also can choose one design and to match. This also 18 millimeters. Very beautiful. There is a snapper for every personalities. Okay, we also can choose our bracelets, snap leather bracelets. This is red color on 2 rows. This is total length about 18 inch. 18 inch, okay? And price also not expensive, only near $1.43. And we can choose one and put one design. We put this flock into this button base like this. Very good. Okay, I try. This is a little big, okay? You must put length and like this. For girls, for men, all suitable for this. If you don't like such designs, you can choose another one. Put here. Okay, we choose the oars. Choose the oars. Okay. Like this. Okay, and we don't like such snap leather bracelets. We can choose another 6-inch 2 layers and blue color like this. This is 6-inch length and 6-inch, and we also can put like this, make like this. Put our jewelry inside. This is a panda inside. Very beautiful, right? Very beautiful. Okay, with the third design. Third design also is oars design is round shape for antique silver tones. And many kind different type of oars. Have this with rhinestones. Also have the all hats. Okay, I haven't did one also. Maybe some brands like different type of circle. You can choose different. We also can use this one. Okay, this is rings 18 millimeters, and with alloy rhinestone, and I put one or inside like this. It is also beautiful. You can change. Okay. So every style and every occasions to change your snappers. We have the fourth one is elephant. This is elephant, and with the rhinestones, with the antique silver plates, alloy. Okay, and we can use our this one, this black leather snap leather bracelets. We can use this one. Okay, very beautiful for men's bracelets, and we put this one inside. Okay, very good. And this snap also we can detach from the snapper accessories. We can change as our wish. Also we can change the snap accessories. Some girls like this. Okay, we can put some girls snap button like this. So it is very quickly remove and replace new designs. If you like, you can pay attention to our website. Our website have more designs for snap buttons. So, and ginger snappers is all about hot, sour, sweet individuals with all over 200 snap designs to choose from. So you can create and recreate jewelry that express your personalities.